All right, everybody, welcome back to AI Newbie Hub, where we learn, do something, build, and create with AI. Today, we're not doing what it says on my script here. We're not tackling a question. Um, Today, we're going to be using a program called D dash ID. It is it'll help bring avatars and things like that to life per se. If you got a still picture, you create an image, you can load it up there and you can either give it a script, or if you have like an audio file of somebody talking, and it will make it talk. And that is what we're going to do today. And so, um, with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right in, and I'll catch you on the other side.
Hey there, welcome to the hub where we learn and build with AI love. No code, no fear, we got your back. Just hit play, we're on the newbie track. Learn, build, create, let's dive in. It's AI fun, where do we begin?
Okay, guys, welcome back. Okay, first of all, what is D-ID and how does it work? It's a tool that animates still images. You upload a photo, or as they say, artwork, an image, and DID will make it blink, animate their head some, and you can, have it talk. Um, and so, just like it says here, it's like turning your AI into a digital actor. It's pretty cool. Why use it? You can make your characters more dynamic. You can add personality to your avatars. Great for creating short videos and interactive content. An example: if you want to do like a news show, just round up the top 5 stories of the week, and you do it once a week. You can come in to use DID, create an avatar with uh, Google MHFX, ChatGPT, or like Leonardo, upload it, and that could be your newscaster. Once a week, he gets out there and he delivers the message. So it's pretty cool when it comes to that. We're going to looking into some of what it's done. I'll show you a few examples. We just made these, okay? These didn't work out. I'll show you these. I just made these. I'm going to show you uh, subtle differences, but we're going to do it with. I did get image. We had to redo this video, and so I did get the image of my superhero. So he's gonna say something about a superhero. He's really not, but I do have a superhero image coming. So here are the 2 videos we made earlier, and then we're going to make 2 more here in just a second.
I'm not saying I'm the worst superhero, but even ChatGPT won't take my prompts seriously. I'm not saying I'm the worst superhero, but even ChatGPT won't take my prompts seriously.
Okay, if you notice the first one, his head movement was a little more and such. I don't know why my camera's so far up. I do know why. It's because doing shorts, you gotta adjust that. But I made this character.
Faith over feelings. There will be times in your walk with God when you do not feel His presence.
Got my talking avatar here. Hey there. Welcome to AI Newbie Hub, where we learn, build, and so there is plenty of use case for them. You can make. You want to talk about AI once a week? Make avatar. I can't think of the guy's name. I'll get it for next time. But that's what he does. He's got his little robot out there, and he delivers the weekly news on AI. It's pretty cool. So, um, okay. So what we're gonna do? We're already in DID. We came over here, but even won't take my prompts seriously. What can a superhero do? Okay, so we're going to add this. We're going to make a prompt out of this or audio file. I'm not saying I'm the worst superhero, but even ChatGPT won't take my prompts seriously. What can a superhero do? So here we go. We're going to generate this.
I'm not saying I'm the worst superhero, but even ChatGPT won't take my prompts seriously. What can a superhero do?
Okay, we're going to download it. Let's go 4.925 for the ID 2. Okay, then we're going to come here. We're going to create a video. I'm going to start with blank by blank. Now, I've already got this avatar uploaded, but we're taking this step at a time. So I go to create with photo. You pick the avatar that you want, and yes, I got a bunch because they didn't want to work. Okay, well, there we go. Now, I created this in Leonardo. I'll show you this. He's right here, Leonardo. This is him. So I used a prompt. My prompt was a superhero sitting behind a desk. He's wearing purple and orange outfit. There's a microphone on the desk. You can see his face clearly. The view is from the front with him directly facing the camera. A 3D render, pixel style, and newspaper on the desk. Make it however you want. You want to make sure you can see his face. I tried to use these photos here, down here, and don't worry about all these explicit. They're not explicit, guys. Get your minds out of the gutter. What are you doing? These cartoon superheroes. Come on. But it told me they couldn't see their face, even with like that one. So, specify. I mean, you want to see his face. And so when I redid it, bam, we can see his face. Now, you can have him have emotions. He can be happy, surprised, serious. We're going to go with the serious one to start with. I want him lively. And now, over here, there's the avatar. We're going to come to the script. You can put your own script in here and pick the actual voice, or we can go to audio, upload it, and let me see it. I want version 2. Open it. Now we got a script. That's what it's going to make. It's going to make an 8-second video. So we're going to generate it. Let's title this Why Use It 3. And it tells me I got 62 credits yet left. So you get like 64 credits for $10. I don't use them. You can upgrade your plan. I'm not going to do that. I've got about 15 and a half minutes of video left. So you can make like 4-minute videos a month for $10. My video's done.
I'm not saying I'm the worst superhero, but even ChatGPT won't take my prompts seriously. What can a superhero do?
All right. You heard the man. You heard the man. Now we're going to start from blank again. I got a whole bunch of him loaded up now because of this. But anyway, we're going to make him surprised this time. I want him lively again. I still, okay, we're going to go left. I don't know what that's going to do, guys. When you create it, remember, upload your audio. So, here we go. Remember, we have got him now surprised and lively. This is going to be why use it for, I guess. Yeah. Okay, there we go. And we'll probably do one more after this. Look, guys, really. And then let's create one more. We're going to start with blank. Pick our superhero. He's going to be happy. He's going to be natural. We're going to put him to the right. We're going to upload the audio. Remember, you got to give him something to say, guys. Open that. And now you can change the background to different things if you want. However you want that. You can put text on here. You do a lot of things, guys. So, shapes, whatever you want. There's templates up here if you want to use template. I'm not doing all that. I'm creating a video of a talking avatar. That's what we're doing. So we're going to go with why use it 5. Okay, so here we go. So here is for...
I'm not saying I'm the worst superhero, but even ChatGPT won't take my prompts seriously. What can a superhero do?
Okay, here's the next one.
I'm not saying I'm the worst superhero, but even ChatGPT won't take my prompts seriously. What can a superhero do?
Okay, if you notice that one, he had a little bit of lip issues. So if I was going to do it, I'd probably go with 3 or 4.
I'm not saying I'm the worst superhero, but even ChatGPT won't take my prompts seriously. What can a superhero do? I'm not saying I'm the worst superhero, but even ChatGPT won't take my prompts seriously. What can a superhero do?
Okay, so there you go. We took an image. We took this image, that one right there, and we made them talk. You can come into any of the image generators and create your image, and like I said, it is perfect for news, sermon, anything where you're sort of reporting. Excellent. I know there's a lot more use cases that I haven't done, but I know there's a lot of use cases in here. So with that, let me make sure we have got everything covered, guys. We know what it is. Let's go over here. Is it worth it? It's easy, as the pros, they say, easy to set up, customize. Yeah, as long as you get the right picture, it's easy to set up. Works well for talking avatars. Yeah, I mean, some of the third one that we generated, I didn't like the way that the mouth was, but we're getting there. It syncs great with the voices from ElevenLabs. I do attest to that. Cons, limited realism, movements can look robotic. Of course, come on. Really, I can't even say that's a con. That's just really works best with high quality images. Again, but not all AI art looks natural when animated. Well, no kidding. I mean, they do that with movies. Get hit movies, or not hit, but mainstream movies that look like crap with AI. And this one I could understand. Can feel a bit repetitive as used too often. You would about need to rotate. If I was doing this again, and I was doing one video a week using AI, using DID, I'd have 4 avatars, and I'd do one a week. And then, just rotate them, use one a week for the 4 weeks, and then the next week rotate them again, because I do agree it could be repetitive, but each avatar could have a different voice, and and so I think that would make it a lot better. So yeah, I think it's worth it. I think it's worth using. If you want, what is it? Just a sec. Yeah, if you want to, play with the avatars and things like that, I think it's well worth it. I think it's a quality program. I don't use it all the time, but I do use it. So uh, I was going with a faceless channel, and if I would have done that, I would definitely use it. I was not going to be on camera, and not because I was shy and anything like that. I don't care there. I really don't care. I wasn't going to be on camera because I thought it might be cool if I was doing AI to have like an avatar. But that's not me. The only thing I did different is I decided to do videos instead of live stream all the time. And I'm still not going to edit for you guys. I'm sorry, but that ain't happening. I will do some live streams, but you guys get my videos if you want. This is me learning AI along with you guys. So there you go. You got to take the good with the bad. That pretty much it. From what I see, that's D-ID. Like I said, we're going. Let me pop right back over here. You've got all these. You can make the videos. You can create your. I think you can create avatars out of videos. You can use their avatars. I didn't look into this, but I'll show you the pricing real quick here. I just going to say my belief. If you any AI, I wouldn't do any AI more than monthly, because you don't know what's going to happen the next month. They could be the worst thing on the planet, and it's like just throwing away. For $10 a month, you get 64 credits that give you 4-minute videos. That's what I'm seeing. So, if you could turn 16 minutes into a 16 minutes a month with avatars into a channel, which you can do that. If you post on the same time every week, don't matter if it's one day, every day, 3 days. If you do it on a consistent time, it don't matter how many videos you got, just consistently do that. 4 videos will give you 4 videos a month. So I'm just saying, I think it's worth it. I would definitely use it again. And I'm sure we're going to look into that a little more. I want to dwell more into the video making, but we might do a little video. We'll do a video where we make a short out of with DID, and he's gonna be our short, and he'll do something for that. But otherwise, that's DID. That's all I got today. If you've tried any other animation programs for avatars, let me know. Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, got anything out of it, hit that like button. Hit the dislike button. I don't care. Leave a comment, subscribe, and until next time, we'll catch y'all later. Ciao.